Yeah, I usually start all of the videos with a remark. This is what I got to drive through for the next 3 hours to make this video. That's how important PEZ knowledge is.
I'm not supposed to say, hey, PEZ.
You settle, okay? This is me doing this, all right? All right, here we go. What's really going on, PEZ Collecting Fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here with everybody's favorite Facebook poster, Keith. Can you please ask me your question that I drove all this way to answer?
Yes, I can. Why does the witch's hair pull away from her head?
All right. He wants to know about this witch here. See how her hair kind of pulls away there? Well, what we are going to do, I'm going to reach into my bag of tricks over here that you can't see, and I'm going to show you the different pieces on the three-piece witch. Okay, one of the pieces is going to be the head right here, and then when this piece comes out, it's going to be laying flat. So because the piece is laying flat, when you put it on here, the hat, which is the third piece, it will actually push down.
No, I wasn't finished talking.
Ugh, boy, that's tough. It'll actually push down and hold the hair in place. So the harder you push down, but some of them are a little loose, and because they're a little loose, they stick out a little bit. Some a little bit more than others. Sometimes the kids would pull on these, and it would stretch that plastic right there, and it would cause that. So, to answer your question, that is why the hair sticks out.
Cool.
Thank you, Keith.
Until next time.